Hello, my name is Asia from Geneva School of Design, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple design using Canva. So let's get right into it. Currently, we can see the Canva platform. The interface is pretty simple and smooth to use. When you want to create a design, you just come to this button at the top right. We go to the custom size, right? So we're working in inches using the 8 by 10 dimension for Instagram. So you click on create new design and boom, you have a blank canvas. We have a brand brief that I'll be working with. So we have the brand's name is Possum. We are in the pet care / pet product industry. Here you can find a tagline, mission. We are given the task to create a social media post design promoting the brand. The content is tender care for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step. So, and also we have our website. Here on the first page you have their colors, their fonts, and also one of the things we also added is the mood board. So at Geneva School of Design, we always teach our students to not design in isolation. So always have a reference you are looking at, always have a mood board you are looking at. So for this design, I'd created a few of these designs from Pinterest just to inspire what I'll create from our brief. Are you excited? Because I am excited. So the good things about mood boards is that they help you streamline your thoughts. They help you to think out of the box. You're able to see what others have done so you can improve them, so you can get better. So let's go right into it. So we have our blank page here, and we have every of the details we need for this particular brand. So let's copy our colors, copy the logo, Ctrl C on Windows or Command C on your Mac. So we come here, Ctrl V on Windows or Command V on Mac. Good. So we've been able to copy our details here, just a few of the details. So let's get right into it. So first things first, we'll create a grid using a ruler. So for your rulers, you click on shift arrow and then the rulers appear, shift arrow and it disappears. So it depends. So for this particular design, for the sake of beginners that will be going through this tutorial, we want to make it as simple and as easy as possible. So we'll just create the grids that we want to work with, so we ensure that our design is balanced and our design looks good overall. So for the background, what color do you think I should use for the background? Well, the brief says tender care for tiny paws. So we have to look at the colors again and see which of these colors communicates tenderness, communicates care. The pink, and we have 2 shades of pink, so I like to see how we can walk around with these colors. So let's come here. All right, so we want to try these 2 colors first. So let's see how it goes. So let's reduce this a bit. So you have the logo at the top right corner of the canvas. We'll just reduce it a bit. Let's not forget, so we have the content, so just copy the content from here, Command C, come here, tender care for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so just playing around with the font. We'll still touch it a bit later. So what are we missing? We are missing the website. So the website is www. So we just copy this. So to copy, you can click on this, the duplicate icon, or you can click Command C and Command V, and you'll be able to duplicate the text. So let's go right into it. www.possum.com. What do you guys think? This is a lot, right? That's why the brand has two fonts. So we have the primary font, which is Sergio Trendy, and we have the secondary font, which is DM Sans. So let's try DM Sans for this. DM Sans. DM. Let's keep searching. So you can come here to search for your font on Canva, and the font will appear here. Okay, we got something. So this is a bit big. Let's reduce it a bit. Okay, let's leave it at a 14.8. Currently is center aligned. So just come here to the alignment button and click the left alignment. Good. Alright, so tender care for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step. So what's missing in this design? Imagery. So let's go to elements and search for puppies. So let's go to elements and search for puppy. Let's see what we can come up with. A lot of cute photos here. So also remember that when it comes with your design, every element is important, from imagery to the use of shapes to typography to colors. They are very important. So we'll keep searching because this image is not what I'm looking for exactly. So I'll just keep searching. So as you can see, we are trying a number of images because we want to ensure that whatever image you decide to go with really works. So I'll go to my uploads as well. I had gotten this image from Canva, but I decided to save it just in case I don't get to see it again, and I was right. So this image has a background. So how do we solve this? So we go to the edit image. On your left, you can see like a variety of options where you can touch your images, but for today's design we'll be clicking on BG remover for now to remove the background. So let's see. What do you guys think is missing in this design? A lot of things are missing, but let's keep going. So I think first of all, let's work on the text. Tender care for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step. So we have the line spacing and the letter spacing. In Canva, letter spacing is the same thing as tracking. Tracking involves adjusting the spacing throughout the entire word, and line spacing is also what we call leading. It determines how the text is spaced vertically. So for this design, we're going with a letter spacing of -36 and a line spacing of 1.09. Tender care for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step along the way. Let's see. So what do we think about these colors? I don't think we're there yet, but like I said earlier, we're going to use the two colors, the two pink. So let's see, let's try it. Let's try. Okay, I think this looks good. We can make this bold so that it can be bolder. All right. Can you see? But what do you guys think? Are we there yet? Is this giving the emotion you want it to give? Basically, is it sparkling the joy? Is it communicating tender care? Do you think we can do more? Well, I think we can. Let's see. Okay, so something is missing. So we have the logo, and I think the logo can be put into more use. So why don't we try and create brand patterns using the logo icon? What do you think? Let's keep going. So make it bigger a bit. All right, so let's see. We want to ensure that the brand is engaging, basically. So we can put this here. I will work on the brand patterns. Just playing around with the brand shapes. Remember, tender cares for tiny paws, bringing joy with every step. So let's just have a touch of these elements in the design. So Ctrl J. We have to change the colors. So let's see. Good. Okay, so let's bring it here. So we have 3 lines. Command G, group it, can increase it a bit. So let's bring our puppy and see what we have. Whoosh. Are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Okay, I think we should bring this down a bit so that the design is not too busy. There's not so much going on. We want the communication to be tender care for tiny paws. So we don't want to use our designs to basically distract. We want to communicate. So let's do that. So we can take this off now. Can increase this a bit. All right, so we also have to ensure our design is properly balanced. So we'll just come here, click on position and click on center to ensure the design is on the center. Come here as well, click on center, just to ensure everything is balanced and everything looks good. So What do you think? Do you think we're able to work properly with our mood board? Do you think this design communicates? Can you create something like this on Canva? We would love to see you try. And you can also tell us what you'd like us to redesign or design for our next tutorial. Thank you.